Guys, our meal already arrived.
My coffee!
Ish, why you so late, huh? Please, hurry up. I can't wait to drink my coffee. Come, come. Tea coffee for Anis, tea light for Nan, and juice for me. Let's drink together. Ush, dah mahal.
Sedapnya!
Ush, dah mahal.
Sedapnya!
Do you guys want to sweat drinks?
Yeah, sure! Okay. Serious question. Which one do you guys think is the most delicious?
This coffee obviously, their ice with the cream latte is undefeated. Once you drink it, you cannot go back. Please, Laisha, Bila is the real champion. So many choices of boba, milk tea, and smoothie. Just only no coffee. So what? That's why it's good compared to your tea, right? It's too sweet. I hate it.
Hey, sorry to say, but you guys are so wrong. Okay. Their iced chocolate latte is so smooth, not too sweet, and not too bitter. It is so perfect enough.
What? Gigi Coffee? That's like a quiet kid cafe. And nobody remembers it's there.
Excuse me? Gigi Coffee is classy, okay? Not like Pilaf with 100 toppings, but still no taste.
Hello, at least Elite has variety. Gigi Coffee just try to be a Starbucks junior. Okay, how about we call Adaha and ask her which one is the most delicious?
Okay.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, what are you doing?
Hi! Aiha, we want to ask you, which coffee store is the most delicious?
I don't think I can answer you guys, but I think you guys better make like a Google form, and then you guys ask our classmates to answer it, so that we can know which one is the best.
2 hours later.
Before doing the experiment, we need to spin the wheel with repetition 30 times. First of all, we need to observe and record the frequency of each coffee store. Then, we organize the results in Table 1 under the frequency section based on the population data we collected. Next, for this question, we need to find the experimental probability and the theoretical probability for each coffee store. The experimental probability is based on our results, which is the frequency of the store divided by the total frequency, while the theoretical probability is simple by dividing the total of a specific store and sum of all total. After we get the experimental and theoretical probability, we can get the differences. So basically, to calculate the differences is the experimental probability minus with the theoretical probability and multiply with 100. For the last question, we need the experimental probability that the selected store is not Just Coffee, Life or Gigi Coffee. So, the formula is 1 minus with the experimental probability for each store.
In question A, we want to calculate the EX. To do this, we will use the formula like in the slide. After expanding the expression, we integrate each term one by one. Then, we substitute the limit 0 and 5 into the result. This gives us the final answer, which is 25/8. In question B, we will need to find the cumulative distribution function. So, to get the cumulative distribution function, we need to integrate the function from 0 to x. Then, we substitute into the integral, expand it, and integrate each of the term. After integrating, we replace the limit 0 and x. The final result gives us the CDS and like the answer above.
For question C, given that p of x greater than 2.5, we can use a formula which is 1 minus with f2.5. For f2.5, we can use a formula from question B. And then after we substitute into the formula, we will get the final answer, which is 11/16. For question D, given that p of 1 less than x less than 2.5, so we will use f2.5 minus with f1. For f2.5, we can use the answer from the C. For f1, we can use a formula from the question B. After that, we substitute 1 into the formula from question B, and then the final answer we will get 9/80.